month 10 has come to a close. Uh, yeah, it's about to be a new year tomorrow, and I don't know when I'm going to release this, but maybe today, maybe tomorrow, I don't know. But doesn't matter. The important thing is things, even though this month has been real weird, like had a couple deaths in the family and people we knew, and unfortunately, my guy Chuck, his mother passed away this past 2 weeks ago. Sorry, losing my mind here. It was rough couple weeks for everybody. So like progress slowed down a little bit, but things did get done. I'm gonna take you down and show you. Let's go check it out. I guess I should start with this. So part of the house is sided. Just slowly getting at it because it's freezing out and holidays happen and a lot's going on. So I'll just have to point things out because they're going to be really hard to spot, except for that. Obviously there's a organ in here that's going to go in that cavity right there. So that is the purpose of that. And as you could see, siding was happening. Some stuff in here, like some minor, like that corner, the cavities are all, trimmed out. New basement door. This still needs painted, but the ceiling was done. That was black and greasy. Sorry for the lighting. It's like always pitch black in here. Oh my gosh. All right, my back door was wide open, so someone was in here. The heat has just been running nonstop. This is crazy. Yo! All right, so I don't know how that happened. This is crazy. Oh man. Well, so that's not cool. So this heat has probably been running for days. I haven't been down here in about 4 days, so this heat has just been running nonstop. I mean, it's freezing out, so not good. I already came in here and I was already filming this, and the back door was wide open, so I kind of panicked and thought someone was in here and had to do a whole search of the house. But I'm going to try to update you on things that I can remember that were done. Like I know that the wall cavities are trimmed out now. That wasn't done. This kick wasn't quite done yet. The basement door is on. This ceiling was painted. These walls were painted. Nothing out there, and it's dark out there anyway. But yeah, nothing has changed upstairs, but all the siding and J-channel and stuff is everywhere. We'll go up here anyway. I think I decide what I'm going to do with these steps when we're done too. I think I'm going to paint them white and then just put a runner down the center. Nothing has been done in the bathroom, obviously. But this bedroom is completely done. Just needs a, bed. And I think I'm gonna put a futon in there. Everything is done up here. You guys have already seen all this. But yeah, I mean, pitch black house. It's so dark in here. It's not this dark when you're actually in here, but like on camera it is dark. But yeah, we're so close. I say that every video. But what hasn't been done on the inside, the outside makes up for, because in a minute, oh yeah, by the way, this organ that I picked up from 1894 is going to go in that cavity there. So you can see that perfect little spot, like that'll fit. But all right, let's go outside. So you can see he started this. There's a subtle, like the siding is like subtle gray. It's like very, and then the corners and accents will be white. You know, the border, the J channel and everything that goes around the windows, which isn't on yet, is white. That window is done, but so day by day, we just got to pick and choose good weather. Now, through this dump, I already showed you guys there's a well drilled now, which we'll be revisiting. But over here, I don't really have any footage of this place. This is going to be my tattoo studio. I have old footage. I'll try to dig it up and show a comparison, but this was all, I mean, it was bad over here, and it's all pretty much cleared out. I mean, all this stuff still needs to go, but I got to pick and choose my battles. Buddy's also taking that shed and getting it out of here along with all this debris. I think I heard some deer. So after finding the back door open down there, I freaked out and had to watch all the cameras because I wanted to see how long it was open. I haven't been down there in about 5 days, but it was. Chuck said he stopped down yesterday to grab some staples, and he accidentally must have left it open, but at least it was a day and the heat wasn't running for the last 5 days straight non-stop. So yeah, I mean, these things happen, I guess, but yeah, that's that's the end of this year. Next year, 2026, I'm hoping to wrap, this has to be wrapped up. You know, I know there's going to be tons of little tiny details to go over, but it's got to be wrapped up. There's all kinds of other things going on in my life that are, you know, this house cannot consume another year of my life. There's too much. But yeah, hopefully all of you had a Merry Christmas and we'll have a Happy New Year, whatever that means. Just yeah, always try to do better, I guess. I'm always trying to do better. I'm always trying to top what I already did. I think that it's just a fun way of making progress. I don't get too down if I don't hit the mark. I never hit the mark. I'm always very naive and think that things are going to get done quicker than what they do. But with that naive mindset, I push things to go faster, and they do get done faster than some other people because if you get too relaxed in this game, it's, things don't get built by themselves. You got to keep on them, and you got to keep on the project, or also it could very well, it's overwhelming. It could never get done. People give up all the time. They'll do a project like this and quit halfway through and then sell it like that or whatever, because they're like, man, I didn't realize this was going to be this much money. I knew, but I didn't know. uh, I've done like light remodels before. Like, I get it, I understand what it takes, but you can never fully comprehend what you're going to run into. It's just, that's life. And so many other things happen that aren't part of the house, just life things happen. And before you know it, you have tens of thousands going into this, and it's like, where does it all end? But I'm starting to see a light at the end of the tunnel. I really want to get the rest of the house sided, and then finish the last couple rooms in there. I really don't think there's that. It's not that bad. So, all right, thanks for watching. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. See you next month.